ask you to play tag, but I don't really feel like playing that today.
That's okay. Why don't you go to the buddy bench?
What's the buddy bench?
It's a red bench on the Sprague playground where you can go if you're looking for someone to play with.
Where is the buddy bench?
Come on, I'll show you.
It looks cool. Are you sure that someone will see me here and ask me to play?
It worked for me. Yesterday I saw him on the buddy bench. It took a few minutes, but then Ollie asked me to play. Now we're friends.
Thanks for the great idea. I want to try the buddy bench today at recess.
I'm off to play tag with Ollie.
My BFF is not at school today. Now that it's recess, I'm not sure who I want to play with. Wait, I know. What about the buddy bench? I wonder if anybody is sitting there.
Oh, look. There's somebody sitting on the buddy bench. Hi, my name is Thunder. Do you want to do the monkey bars with me?
Sure, my name is Audrey. Thanks for asking. I like your hat.
I think your jacket looks cool. Let's go.